Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Parlay Raj. In today's video, we're doing a car show for Ezra. He's one of the police officers in Woodstock's son. He was diagnosed with brain tumor at 18 months old, and he's battling brain tumor right now. So we're doing a little fundraiser, charity type of thing for him. So please come support him. And if you're out there, make sure to come say hey. Don't be shy. And I hope to see you guys down there. So me, Chev, Xavier, and Mr. Doug is just pulling up. He's my neighbor with his R8. We're about to roll out and head to the location where we're getting police escorted. So yeah guys, I hope to see you guys there today. Make sure to come check out the event. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of people out there. Guys, we had a really good turnout today. Mickey from Eurofed's about to pull out. Look who's showing up over here. You got Carl over here.
Oh my God!
Hey.
What's happening?
Hey, what's happening? Hey. Let me show y'all his car real quick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go show it. might go a little faster, I'm not sure. To go yet. I've been wanting to go.
They're so fun.
You got to go with your dad?
My brother is jealous because I was the only one who's went yet.
Oh, oh yeah, because it doesn't have a seat in the back, right?
Yeah.
I'm excited. This is a big rally. We usually don't have this many cars come out. Where does he go to high school?
In Alpharetta.
Alpharetta, okay.
Alpharetta High School.
It's a big school. How old are you?
I'm 13.
You're 13? Oh, so he's only 2 years older than you. You have more siblings or just one brother?
I just have one brother.
Just one brother? That's enough, right?
He can be very annoying.
Yeah, that happens with siblings. I have 2 older sisters. I'm the youngest.
I'm also the youngest out of all my cousins.
Really? Yeah, me too. You can actually put your seat up if you want to be able to see. There's a thing on the side, you can pull it up.
I'm tall enough to see them. Normally I'm shorter and I can't really see, but I can see out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You play any sports?
I do rock climbing.
Rock climbing? That's fun. I have bad knees, so I can't really do rock climbing. I've had 4 surgeries on this leg. I think I'm about to have one on this one now. I've torn my ligaments in this one. Torn my ACL on this leg and meniscus. Torn my ligaments in my foot. I've had all types of sports injuries.
If our truck was as big as that orange truck that was there, I would never be able to get inside.
Yeah. You'll be able to see everything though.
It would definitely feel really weird going from that big truck to be very low to the ground.
Guys, that was pretty cool. That little bird was super cute. I want one, but Blue will eat that ASS up.
Now it's civilian.
Blue is, by the way, our husky we have. One of the dogs we have. And huskies like to eat anything and everything they see.
Atlanta supercars and exotics. This man right here, Brian, I'm going to tell on you. He was in the intensive care unit battling cancer, and he was on my phone every day for hours and hours. And I said, worry about your health. And he said, you worry about yourself. I'm going to do this. And man, right there, I cannot tell you what he's done. He brought this giant club up, so yeah. I mean, when he walks up and hands like $500, $1,000 every week, I'm like, I love you. So thank you. So we're going to announce the awards, and when you come up, the man of the hour is going to give you your award. So, are you ready, buddy? So best import is number 79. Best import, 79. Okay, best domestic, number 58. 58. Best domestic. Okay, best motorcycle. There's that gorgeous Indian back there. 110. 110. We've got a lot of great cars. Shaquille Hodges, amazing man. He's done a lot for us. Wonderful club. Can't thank him enough.
Let's go, Brian.
I'm telling you, he walks around. He loves these cars. He loves cars. He's gotten rides in these cars. He just walks up and talks to Brian and all them. He's like, hey, I want a new car. And then all of a sudden, when we were doing a photo shoot out here one day, we're just doing a photo shoot. All of a sudden, we're sitting here, and here goes this car, like that, and I'm looking at, I can see the top of Ezra's head. They're whipping around here. He loves it. So Ezra's choice, I knew it, is this green McLaren right here. 416. He loved that car. He wants to take it home. So you go deal with it.
Hey!
Number two, the purple Cadillac over here. That's the show. Can y'all guess which one would be the kids' choice? The shark. The shark it was pretty much unanimous for kids' choice. I really can't thank you guys enough for what you've done. All you gotta do is look at that little guy. You know? So thank you. I'm gonna hand the mic over to Katie Wise. She's the president of the Woodstock Public Safety Foundation. And again, thank you from the very bottom of my heart. Love you all.
I'm going to start off thanking all the people that came together and want to support Ezra and his family. It really means so much to us. This is not something that we get to see every day. I mean, seeing community come together and really care for this family and want to support is huge, and it means so much. So thank you for taking the time out of your day today to support a great cause and a great family. I've gotten to know them over the past couple of years, and they are a precious, precious family. I mean, all what they do for their kids and the love they have, it's beautiful. So I'm glad y'all were able to come out. I hope you enjoyed the day. We certainly enjoyed all of y'all. Thank you.
We've got one more award. You ready?
We would like to thank this gentleman for every single thing he does for our community, all these other communities, for kids especially, good or bad. My firstborn, Alex. And this beautiful woman right here told me a story about her daughter who will be going into the police academy because of your mentorship to her. So, this was all. And we would like to thank you from the very bottom of our hearts, and we're so proud of you and love you, and we want you to feel every single love that we Jamaica for his foobar. He welded this for you.
I appreciate it. Wow. I love doing my job. I've been doing it 35 years. I was a firefighter, paramedic, on the helicopter, security. 35 years. I love this. This is why I love this, is because of you people. This is why I do my job. And so now I'm petrified because I'm going underground at a 911 center. So, but thank you. I appreciate it. It means more to me than you know. I love community. I love family. And y'all are family. So thank you so much.
Now I'm going to pass the mic off to his mother, Ramona, who'd like to say something.
Hey everyone, I'm Ramona. Come here, buddy. We just wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts for spending your Saturday with us and for bringing your cars and just coming to have a fun October day with us. It really means more than we can say, and we really, I don't know if it's obvious, but we really hate being center of attention, and we really wish that we could be doing this type of thing for other people, but we are in this predicament, and we're so thankful that you've chosen to give us love and be here for us, especially for this little guy. And hey Ezra, whose car show is this?
My car show.
He just wanted to say thank you for everybody who came and gave all your time and energy. And thank you to Shane and the Woodstock Public Safety Foundation and the police officers and all the volunteers and all the wonderful car clubs and everyone who brought their beautiful cars. And if anybody wants to hand over the keys, we'll say no first, but if you ask me a second time, I'll say yes. But anyways, thank you so much, and thank you to Mesmerize. You guys are awesome.
Y'all put your hands together one more time for the King family. Sell these, all $20 of that is going towards
Press the brakes. Here, let me pull the seat up for you.
Ezra, so we got a lot of t-shirts. Come over and buy one. We're going to do some raffles here in just a moment. Almost ready.
Look at you go, kid.
You might be able to drive it now. Can you reach your brakes? Almost? Brake is the middle part, right there, the middle one. Yep. Right.
Put your
Up.
foot on.
Up.
There
Yep.
you go.
Okay. Here's what you're gonna do.
All right, I got
Say
some
this.
folks coming over here to buy some shirts. How about that? I don't know why we don't have a bigger line. If you look on the back of the shirt, it's got a mesmerized media logo
press
on
the.
it.
You see the red? Look right there. To the right. To your right. Yep. Press that button. You pressing the brakes? You gotta hold the brakes while you do it.
Hold the brake, and I'll press it.
That's what he did it for. He wants you to put your shoulder down.
You gotta press down.
Press the brake, baby. Now press the button.
Press the button. Hold the back of the key against.
Hey, you going, Mike?
Okay, here, let's try again.
Yeah, we still got some shirts over here. They're high quality shirts made by Deadline Apparel. $20 a piece. I tell you what, it's either 1 for $20 or I'm going to make you a deal right now. You can buy 2 for $40. It's up to you.
Oh, look at that.
Actually, you know what? I'll make it better. Buy one. No, this is what we're going to do. Buy one for the price of 40. We'll throw a second one in for free.
Give us some gas.
All right, we can tell who the big spinners on the raffle tickets are. They're all hanging around still.
Good to see you again, buddy.
Good job.
You don't want to get out, huh?
Dude, he'd go home with you.
That's awesome. All right.
6.5 hours later.
Wow.
You should be in awe. After you've already hit my mirror here,
Wow.
you're going to lean against my car?
What is important in your life? A car?
Oh, it's one of the
Or
things.
life in your family?
Oh, it's one of the
sir?
things.
What?
How do you know anything
Is
about my
your,
family?
is your family in your life more important
Every
than your
single day.
fucking car?
Family is important, but so is his car.
You're not leaning on my family.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, you don't have to lean on his car.
I can't believe it. I cannot believe it.
So what
I
do you like in life? You should like get in my face. What are you important in your life?
Ma'am, I would suggest you walk away. I would suggest you just leave, please. Just walk away.
Yeah, because you're damaging my car.
You hit his mirror, then you
Because
leaned
you're
against
banging
his
your door on my
car.
car, and you're leaning on my car.
Ma'am,
That's why
I would
came
suggest
over
you
here.
stop being a Karen and just
we
walk
asked
away.
you to please stop doing
Please,
that. And
just-
you
Stop
just-
being a what?
Really?
Just walk away. A Karen.
Because you literally hit
You are literally being,
Karen?
you're being rude for no reason.
Please be nicer to
You
people's
damage
things.
his property,
That's all
and
I
then you
ask.
have the nerve to act like you're a victim.
Exactly.
And then you gotta record it.
That's pathetic.
That's pathetic. You are not the victim here.
All you gotta do is just apologize.
You have multiple witnesses that watched you open your door into his car.
Oh my gosh, are you guys a bunch of wiggles?
You hit his car. Are you insane, ma'am?
Keep talking. Keep talking. Greg, get out of her way.
Gray, just Gray.
He's in this spot.
Gray, just get out the way.
in this spot.
What is, I'm going to ask all
Oh,
of
you
you,
can quit hitting my
what
back.
is important to you guys?
Family.
Stuff that we worked hard for.
Family. We're a group. We care about each other. Yes.
$400,000. How much
Ma'am.
do you make a year?
Do you know how much this car cost?
I don't give a shit.
That damage probably could have been a couple $1,000s.
Cat lady wouldn't care.
I know she doesn't.
I hope you have
Gray,
a blessed
yeah, Gray, just get out of her way. Just let her go.
I cannot believe it.
Karen's just left.
Yeah, some of
We just had these two ladies hit one of our group members' cars and then started leaning all over the car and was acting like it's okay. And she calls the cops on her own because she's at fault. So why are you calling cops on yourself, you know? But anyways, guys, it didn't do any damage. So luckily, we're about to head out safely. And I hope you guys enjoyed the event. Until next time, peace.